Aisha Hayes here with Hayes Tax Relief. I have a question for you. Are you one of the ones creating unnecessary tax liabilities for yourself? You may be, and you may be doing so unknowingly. And I ask this question because I see more and more taxpayers who file tax returns that the IRS isn't exactly looking for. So, did you know that to be considered in filing compliance in order to get into an installment agreement or any other type of resolution option to resolve back taxes, you're only required to have the last 6 years worth of tax returns filed? Let me say that a different way or a better way. The IRS only looks for the last 6 years worth of tax returns to be filed in order to be considered in filing compliance. So I was working with a taxpayer and her accountant, and she hadn't filed going all the way back to like 2014. And she wanted to get into an installment agreement, but in order to do so, she needed to file all those tax returns going back to 2014, or so she thought. However, after talking with her and me letting her know that, hey, I'm not telling you not to file your tax returns. As a licensed professional, I'm telling you, file all tax returns due. But what I can also tell you, and you can talk with your accountant about this or your tax preparer, is that the IRS is only looking for the last 6 years. They're not going to look beyond that unless they expect or think that there's some fraudulent activity. But if not, 6 years is all they're looking for. So you can make that decision that all you want to file is the last 6 years. Once we make it to 2025, the IRS is only going to be looking for 2024 returns, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and 2019. Anything older than that, you may be filing that return and creating an unnecessary liability that they wouldn't have even been looking for. They wouldn't have even asked for. So be strategic about how you file your taxes and what you file. Again, I'm not telling you what to file or not to file. I'm simply telling you what the IRS looks for the last 6 years. If you need a little more help in determining the right way to move, give me a call. I'm at 704-298-1040. Hope to talk to you soon.